What's good, y'all? I know it's been a while. We finally got an update, man. We had took the frame off, sandblasted it, painted it, put some bracing on the back. If y'all know a lot about G bodies, y'all know the rear frame rails. They flex a lot, got a plate. The only thing that kind of hold it together is the body. We braced all that up. When we put it back on the lift, I'll show y'all all that. But y'all probably seen it on the shorts and everything. Braced it all up, boxed the frame. Ain't nothing happened body wise, interior wise. Suspension still the same, but as y'all can see, we got the 5.3 in there now, man. Painted up, looking good. I thought I was gonna be able to keep that AC box, but I guess with my motor mounts, it slid the engine back just a little bit, so it was catching. Right here on the coil pack and on the valve cover, y'all can see it's kind of, I mean, I can stick my fingers through there, but we got a gap. I already got this plate right here on the way. I got one with the like bead rolling and everything, but y'all can see the headers and all that down there. Yeah, it's coming along nice, man. We tried to fire the motor up, but the computer still got the VATS on there, the vehicle anti-theft system. So it'll let it start up and kind of turn over for like a second or two, and then it'll kill the injectors. So, but yeah, as y'all can see, man, we got brand new body mounts and energy suspension bushings. So yeah, the whole frame is painted. The hole underneath the body, sandblasted, painted. I'm sure y'all seen that on the shorts. But yeah, man, I'm finna try the interior still raggedy as hell. But this all gonna come with time, man. We ain't worried about that shit. It's gonna take time. But yeah, y'all can see I had to pull the glove box and everything to get that AC box out of here. But shit, today I'm gonna try to focus on getting all the wiring, like connected, battery cables, all that type of shit. I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with this battery box. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to clean all this shit up today. Get all these leaves and shit out here, so at least it look decent, and I'll be able to turn it over with the key. I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, got a lot of them leaves and shit off of there. Blew it all down. Now we finna start cleaning up this shit. I'm gonna have to get a battery tray, but I think we're gonna go right there with it most likely, because that's where our harness and computer probably bolted up here. Let's see. I'll worry about, I ordered some brand new body mount bolts, so the body is kind of half-ass bolted down on the driver's side. I got like 2 or 3 on the passenger side, but I got some new bolts coming. I thought I was gonna be able to reuse them old ones, but shit, man, they kind of shitty, so we gonna get rid of them. I think all of this might be AC shit, but we'll see. I'm gonna tuck that shit out the way for now. I ain't about to be guessing on the wrench sizes, bro. I'm finna grab a crescent. Shit coming off. But yeah, man, shout out to my boy Pat over here, Outlaw Garage. He the one been helping me do all this. I got some black paint. I'm gonna try to touch up some of this shit in here. all this shit gonna move to the other side. So I got a new coolant reservoir. I got a catch can. Man, I think I'm gonna put that catch can on that that block off plate. Got some little brackets for this shit too. Kind of tuck this up out the way. Battery. All this shit gotta go to the inside. Got my little fuse block I made. Shout out to I think it's ltswap.com. I followed your instructions, man, and this shit did exactly what it's supposed to do. Key hot, fuel pump. So the key hot, I'm gonna hit that purple wire. Constant hot, pump, check engine light. Don't know what that is. And I think I want this to go under. Don't know what that green and black wire for, but I do know these is hot. Purple is what I need to go to my ignition. I mean, not ignition, my damn starter. So pink, where that pink one go? This pink one right here, what gauge is that? This pink wire will go to my key on ignition. So that'll be the key hot right here. And then this one go down to my starter lug. Leave a little bit of, I might leave that shit long, that way I can, that way if I gotta move it around or something, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna leave that shit long. starter wire. These two. I want to say this is Key Hot, 12 gauge pink wire. Strip this down a little bit. What's this one? Check engine light, fuel pump, Key Hot. Get another bus place. Make sure we're still on. Yep. But yeah, man, I reworked this whole harness. I think I put it on, I might have put it on YouTube, but if you check my my Instagram, Dre_Fountain, FOUN10, you can see all the pictures from where I depinned it and took out all the shit that I didn't need. And man, I'm surprised it actually worked, man. Didn't miss nothing. The start and turn over exactly like it's supposed to. My OBD2 port work, everything. So, like I said, man, shout out to LTSwap.com. I went on his thing and printed out like the whole schematics for the ECU and all that shit. I mean, they got everything, man. And the crazy thing is, he offered that for free. I think you can still send him like your ECU, and he can rework your harness and shit for you. But it's cool that he offered that type of shit for free, man. As far as it just being available on his website. And with these two, since these will have power coming from the power already, I can put these two on my fans. Some of this shit I'm gonna just clip back kind of out the way. That way it's not hanging out, you know what I mean? Not gonna fuck with none of this, because honestly I'm not sure where the hell they go right now. But yeah, these are my two. Oil pressure. Coolant temp. Also go inside to my tack module for my gas pedal. Those ones for battery. These some little cheap shits I got from Amazon. Just some little battery post connectors. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna strip that back. Strip that back and go straight in. Let's see if I can cut this. Ignition. Little relay setup. Trying to remember where we had it grounded out. We had it grounded out right there on top, but I want to put something a little more solid in there. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go bolt something like, let's see, too big. Yeah, something like this. And I might cut it. I think I'm gonna cut it and tack that in there to make sure it fit inside my ground. What the hell? Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. We're about to cut this off. Try not to mess up the threads. Then what we gonna do? I ain't messing up too bad. I'm gonna grab this. And we gonna tack him right there. I'm not no welder, so don't be looking at my shit talking noise. I do not weld. I can weld, but I am not a welder. Alright, I'm gonna take y'all off for a second so I can weld it up. That would be cool. Let's see. don't know if y'all can see that. I welded a little stud down there. That little bolt I cut off, welded it in there. And then I put a little copper wash underneath it, and I put one on top. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just tighten this nut. And that should give me a pretty good ground. And what we'll do, so that'll give me a ground. We'll tuck him out the way a little bit. Got the ground. Now I can tighten them up. Alright, so now we got ground, got power. Let's see, what am I missing? Got that. So as of right now, the motor is powered up. The car is not. Got these little brackets right here from Amazon too, man. They go like that, so you can mount the computer. Do one side at a time so this shit don't crack open. I might even do the same thing, man. I might weld some studs on that inner fender. Nah, let me see. Yeah, we're gonna mount this bad boy somewhere right there. Make some little shit, some little brackets and shit for it. Alright, so as of right now, this shit should at least turn over. If that battery got some juice in it still. Kind of sit this up here. So that might not be bad. Go a little lower, like angle it a little lower from the hood, and put some brackets, angle iron coming up or something like that. And like I said, man, it ain't gonna start and run. I'm just trying to make sure my wiring is straight as far as the car part. I know it is with the harness, but yeah, I'm just trying to make sure my shit all squared away before I just keep moving forward. So these two will have to go to the battery. Alright. I was missing something, it just didn't seem right. turning over now. I know I'll be jumping around a lot, man. I see shit and then I gotta fix it right then. Don't know why. I had to get some more of that tape. I don't got, my fuel pump ain't connected. We had it just on a hot wire when we was testing it out. So, but this is the fuel pump wire right here. Oh, shit. Basically all I gotta do is run a wire off of this all the way to the back to the pump. But the pump is already hooked up, everything. Fuel line already up here. I got a little 90 that I'm gonna put right there to clean that up a little bit. But yeah, we in business now, man. Got that. But yeah, y'all seen it. We got power going through the ignition. We getting there, man. Slowly but surely, we getting there. I know. That's all he does is build cars. Alright, so I took that old battery tray out of there. Let's see, let me look at this stuff. Take the head strap off. Took the old battery tray out. Took off that little relay thing that was right here. Painted where that block off plate is gonna go for the AC. Y'all can see that. That wire's just kind of sitting in there. But there's the motor. Got all this painted up. I still gotta tighten that up a little bit, but you can see what I'm doing with it. It's gonna be here. Now I'm about to go back there and try to get the fuel tank up, put the pump in there. I'll cut y'all back on in a second.
With better calipers and better rotors, blah, 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 they're running. So they're working on here, but the 12-inch rotor brakes will not fit on those wheels. So I'm going to have to order 11-inch, a kit with 11-inch rotors and low profile calipers to fit inside this wheel. It's 13 inches inside that V-block. So, it's always something, right? But anyway, I really got brakes up here, and the Chevelle doesn't have brakes. But we're gonna order this week. I'm gonna order 11-inch kit for next week. I did get 35 spline axles in from Quick Performance, and this seems crazy to me. Super short spline, but I think Craig needs to go poop or something. But here's the center section. Looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the housing and throw this thing in there. I'm not gonna put the axles in yet because I gotta get the brake kit and it's gotta go on the housing first and then the axles go in. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the car. Craig had to go poop, so I sent him packing. And I remembered when I sent him away that I had a mess back here that I need to clean up real fast, so I'm gonna do that.
Cut y'all back on real quick before I cut out. I got the catch can, new body mount bolts, random X pipe. Show y'all the front. We got an intake tube on there now. Made this little bracket for the coolant reservoir. I got the radiator in there. Got the fan relay set up. Just got to wire it all up. Well, not wired up. Just plug it in. Computer sitting right there. But yeah, you can see the fans, the radiator. We're gonna build some brackets. But yeah, man, it's starting to come together. Painted all this. See the radiator. Yeah. See the little brackets. I made them just some flat plate. Drilled it out. But yeah, now I just gotta tighten up this wire that go back to the pump. Then I should be good, man. I'll catch y'all on the next.